Have you ever wondered what people mean when they say a country is experiencing economic growth? Put simply, economic growth is when a country produces more goods and services than it did before. In other words, the economy is getting bigger. Imagine a bakery that used to bake 100 loaves of bread a day, but now bakes 150. That extra 50 loaves is growth. When the same kind of increase happens across thousands of businesses, shops, and factories, we say the entire economy is growing. So, what makes this growth happen? There are several reasons. One is when more people are working. More workers mean more production, and that naturally increases the size of the economy. Another reason is when workers gain better skills. For example, if bakers learn new techniques to bake faster, or if farmers learn better ways to grow crops, they can produce more in less time. Investment also plays a big role. When businesses buy new machines, upgrade technology, or build new factories, they can create more products and reach more customers. Innovation is another important factor. New inventions, tools, and ideas often change the way we work and live, making production more efficient. For example, smartphones did not just change how we communicate, they created entire new industries. Finally, natural resources like oil, minerals, or fertile land also contribute. When these resources are available and used wisely, they support growth. Now, why does economic growth matter? Because it directly affects the lives of people. When businesses grow, they often need to hire more workers, which creates jobs. More jobs usually mean more income for families. With higher income, people can afford better homes, better cars, better education, and better healthcare. Growth also helps the government, because when people and businesses earn more, they pay more in taxes. Governments can then use this money to build schools, hospitals, highways, and other services that improve daily life. But growth is not always perfect. If it happens too quickly, it can lead to problems like pollution, rising inequality, or the overuse of natural resources. For example, factories may produce more goods, but if they pollute the air and water, people's health suffers. That is why balance is important. Growth needs to be steady, fair, and sustainable, so it helps people today without harming future generations. So, how can countries encourage healthy economic growth? They can invest in education, so people gain skills for better jobs. They can build strong infrastructure, like roads, ports, and internet networks, to help businesses operate smoothly. They can support research and technology to encourage new inventions. And they can create stability through fair rules and good leadership, which makes people and businesses feel confident to spend and invest. In the end, economic growth simply means producing more than before. It creates jobs, raises incomes, and improves living standards. But it must be managed carefully. When done right, growth makes life better for millions of people and sets the stage for a brighter future. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this explanation, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more easy breakdowns of big economic topics.